Good afternoon. We have with us Mr. Harish Kumar, Head EPC Process Business, ISJEC. Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. How are you?
I'm well. Would you talk about ISJEC EPC operations?
Yeah, ISJEC, as you know, it's a 90 years old company and it is working in 90 countries. So far, we have delivered most of the projects outside India, and we started with the sugar plant manufacturer. Then we did the boiler and power plants, and after that we started the EPC business. So right now we have different verticals in EPC segment. We are doing the material handling section, we are doing the railways, and we are doing the process plant, chemical process plants, where we are working on different technologies, and worldwide we are offering this plant. So in that way, ISJEC is offering a complete EPC solution to different client as a lump sum turnkey contract, where client can faith on them for the quality and the product guarantee. So that is our motto, and that we are doing.
What's your USP in the EPC business?
Yeah, ESP is actually we have a large manufacturing base. We have started with Yamunanagar, and now we are doing the Dahej. We have taken a lot of big fabrication workshop with the collaboration with Hitachi, and we have our own jetty also. So based on that, for EPC, you do the good quality of fabrication, which we are doing. We are doing the big quality of equipment, critical equipment, which we have supplied to different oil and gas sector, refinery sector, fertilizer sectors. So that is our strength. And apart from that, we have in-house engineering. So that gives client complete satisfaction as a single window solution that we can offer everything to a client. And that is completely in-house. So that gives a more confidence to us also, and client, and that's why client come to us for the complete solution. So in that way, we are very confident of delivering the world-class process plants and other EPC projects up to the satisfaction of the client in terms of guarantee and product warranty. Everything is taken care of. And after sales service is very important, so that also we take care. If client has any problem, so we do the after sales service also. So that's why ISJEC is a trusted name in the globally.
So which projects are you planning to commission in 26?
Yeah, recently we have commissioned two projects. One is a 600 ton per day sulfuric acid plant, that is for Gujarat State Fertilizer Corporation at Baroda. That we have recently commissioned, and I have done the guarantee test and also completed. So client is very happy, and they have also announced that they have successfully done. And then we have done the Assam Petrochemical 200 tons per day formaldehyde plant. That is for the Italian technology, LEPC contract. That also we have done and commissioned. So these two we have recently come, and now we are coming with for Adani we are doing some material handling project, and that we intend to commission recently. So in 26 we have awarded many orders from different clients in different sectors, and we want to commission them in 26 as early as possible within the targeted time what the client has, as per the agreed terms of the client contract.
So what is the order in hand that you have, sir?
So right now we have approximately 1,000 crore orders in hand for EPC division, and for other division also we have orders. So overall 3,000, 4,000 crore orders we have in hand, which we will executing in 26 and 27, depending upon the project duration.
In terms of new technologies, which all are you focusing on, and which are you planning to focus?
Yeah, we are working right now, as you know, that lot of green energy, green ammonia and green hydrogen is coming up, and carbon capture also. So we are working totally in all these four technologies, and we have tied up with different technology licenses for this, and we aim to deliver this kind of technology so that we can have a energy sustainable project we can deliver. So next 2-3 years you will see that we are coming up these projects also. We have already started bidding for this, and we hope to get next year in 26 we can some good orders. And for that we are making the good skid mounted plants. So that skid we will making at our Dahej, where we have the jetty also. So from there we can export to different companies. Many companies from Japan and Korea and China are in talk with us. They are talking to us for their projects. So these are the new technologies which we are working, and we aim to work on this in a long-term way.
Sir, what portion of your revenue comes from exports?
Revenue from export is approximately something like 40% and 60% Indian operations. But now we are more thrust on export because export, a lot of people are aiming India after Mr. Modi's initiative and hard work. A lot of companies globally are coming to India and we are talking to them. In fact, I am planning to visit all around the globe so that we can offer them the good EPC projects.
Any unique project that you have done?
Unique projects, so all projects are unique. As you know, as I told you, GSFC sulfuric acid plant, that was on different technology. Then for APL, we have supplied the different technology from Italy. So we source the different technologies as per the, we evaluate also. We source and we evaluate different technologies in terms of product quality, energy consumption and overall capex and opex. And after that we select the technology and then we give to the client. So most of the projects are unique in our sense. Everyone has a different terrain and different product mix.
So this year you are going to close. What would be the revenue that you would be closing from the EPC division?
From EPC division, as I said, 1,000 to 1,500 crores. We will be closing this financial year. Already we have achieved 800 crore projects and I think 800 more we are expecting.
So anything you would like to add?
Regarding for the customer perspective, they can see ISGEC as a reliable EPC partner with whom they can work on a long-term basis and where they can, because ISGEC is a debt-free company. We don't take any loan from the market. Everything we do from our pocket. So for the client perspective, this is the best solution, that the company who is financing the project himself, that's a better way. That is in terms of unique kind of thing, which not EPC companies normally take the loan and do it, but we are doing everything in-house. So that is one unique thing we have.
Are you planning to come up with an IPO?
IPO, we are already listed actually, and we are Fortune 500 companies also. But IPO depends upon the fund requirement. Only then we can come. Otherwise, we are meeting this thing. Our own cash reserve ratio is very good. So, whenever we need, then we can come. So that will depend upon the different factors are there, management decision, other things.